I'm getting myself into trouble. Hey everybody, how's it going? Lisa and I are out on the boat. It's Sunday and we're just chilling out. We actually put the, I'll show the time lapse of us putting the main sail up, the mainsail. I wanted to get that up and got the cover on. So that's all set. And yeah, we're just kicking back here up on the forward deck and
a pirate ship.
Oh, let's see if we can get it. Squirrel. I don't know if we can see it. It's quite a ways out there. I'll try to zoom it in. But that's
cool.
That's the museum, the Essex Museum ship, tall ship. I don't know what the name of it is. I'll have to find that out. But looks like I think they do tours on it. There's a lot of activity out here today. I don't know, I'm a little apprehensive of taking it out. I'd rather take it out like it is calm today, but I'd rather take it out maybe on a less busy day. What's going on, everybody? Just popping on here and saying that having the boat in the water is starting a new chapter for the channel. Basically, we're gonna be doing some projects on the inside and around the boat, but now it's time to learn how to sail and motor around and operate the boat, the different systems. So yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing, learning the ropes, I guess we could call it. So
literally the ropes.
Literally the ropes. So follow along on our journey.
see
how far we get with this.
our new adventure.
Our new adventure, another one.
Yep.
All right.
Peace.
So stay tuned. Catch you on the next wave.